Well guys, as you can see, we just got done tarping up all the cars because it's freaking raining. Hi honey. But yep, so today's work's gonna be kind of postponed. Probably not gonna do anything today because, well, hey, it's raining. So we'll try again tomorrow. And yeah, hurry up! What's up everyone? Hope you're all doing amazing. It's finally not raining. It's beautiful outside. We actually have time to work on the truck. It's been a while. We've been busy working on everything else, all the other builds. And yeah, so now we have time. Today, we're gonna try to put the roof in, at least cut it out, you know, the sheet metal and stuff. But the template's made. I don't know if you can see it, but it's made. I'm gonna kind of overlay it and then weld it all in, seam seal it, all that good stuff. But yeah, we're gonna set up and get to cutting. So we were thinking, right? Because we want to keep these original trim pieces. But obviously it's not a car anymore, so they don't go all the way over. So we're pretty much thinking we're going to cut it and have a little bend maybe so that way it looks like a, I don't know, like it's supposed to be there, you know? It's like it's supposed to be a truck. Because we want to keep those trim pieces. It looks good with it on, but, you know, where we left off last time, cut the roof, still need to bend it, still need to weld it, seam seal it, brace it. But right now, we're going to be cutting the sidewalls. Damn, I don't know if y'all can see that. You guys can kind of see the little template drawn out right there. Grinder. Safety glasses. There you go. But this, yeah, he's going to be cutting the sidewalls. They're going to go here and here. Yeah, he's excited, so let's get to it. I guess while cutting, I don't know if you guys can see it. All the little metal shards were catching my damn shirt on fire. Let me tell y'all something. This is obviously, to me, one of the coolest builds, bodywork wise, that I've ever done. Turning a damn car into a truck. I'm still mind blown that we're even doing this right now. Check it out.
That tool bag that's right there, James.
Obviously, we still have a lot of work to do, but I mean, it's coming together. Now that we're going to be putting the roof on and the sidewalls, and we're going to start cutting other sheet metal for the firewall and everything, it's going to look pretty damn cool. I love tea. But yeah. All right, let's get back to it. Senor Fonzie, you want to go size that up real quick? That's all right. That's okay, leave it. Let's see. Not bad, not bad.
What's the next one, Mark?
3 more to go. Firewall. Floor pan, tailgate area thing, holes we're leaving open, but yeah. What's up, guys? Check this out. Now that you guys just saw that, what do you think? Pretty awesome, right? You know, the floor's not in yet, but we do have most of the sidewalls, and they're obviously not in. We just have this masking tape to kind of hold it in place before we, you know, seam seal, self-tapper it, weld it, all that kind of stuff. Still have the roof. Haven't really touched that because we were worrying more about, you know, one project area at a time other than bouncing back and forth, because we started to do that, and honestly, we lost track of it and started falling behind, but we're getting back up there. And yeah, so there's, you know, nice beautiful update of that. But real quick, we have some questions and answers that we want to tell you guys, explain to you guys why we're doing some certain things to the build. But I'm gonna take the camera over there to my brother, and he's gonna pretty much break it down for you guys real quick. All right, bro, so what are some of the questions?
All right, man, so I'm just gonna answer a few questions. There is a lot, but I'm just gonna answer the ones that we get repeatedly. The first question is, how come you didn't make the cab bigger? It looks like there's going to be no room in the cab. Well, we are actually making the car to the specific driver, the owner of the car. We're not making it really for anybody else. But there is going to be quite a bit of room in there because we are changing the seat. It's not going to have the stock seat. 2, it is going to have a different steering wheel. In 3, the steering shaft might be a little bit shorter. We're not completely sure on how we're going to do that yet. It just depends on the steering wheel, on where it's going to be sitting. So there is going to be enough room in there. And again, we are making it for the owner of the vehicle, not for 100 people, pretty much.
So it's being built to spec for the owner?
Yes, pretty much.
All right, so that's why the cab is, I mean, it's not even small. It has enough room,
No, it
I
definitely
think.
has enough room. It really does. I mean, I'm 5'8", you're 6'1", and I mean, we'll fit in there with no problem. So it is a good size, but it does look small on camera. I have to admit it. It does. All right. Question number 2 is, what are the plans for the engine part of the build, because you're doing such a crazy truck build? All right. So it is going to have a pretty crazy engine setup. It's actually going to have a twin turbo M103 platform engine. And this kind of comes in to the third question on why there's a huge hole and why are we keeping it here. So the engine, like I just said, is going to have a twin turbo setup, but it's going to be a rear mount twin turbo setup.
Okay.
So it's going to be very, very custom, very unique, obviously just like the truck build, as you can see. So that's why this hole is going to be staying here. And yeah, just for the time being. What's another one we got here? Oh, here we go. What are you going to be doing with a fuel tank setup? Where are you putting it? All right, so we're actually doing a fuel cell. We're not really going to do like a fuel tank. It's going to be sitting up here against the wall, right underneath the window. It's going to be a decent size. We're still obviously getting measurements and everything for that, so that right there we're kind of bouncing back and forth on. But yeah, we are having a fuel tank, cell, whatever you want to call it. But that right there's what we're doing for that.
What's another question?
Another question. Actually, that's just the ones that keep popping up all the time.
So the question, sorry, I'm pretty sure we had a pretty awesome suggestion, actually.
Oh yeah, we've actually had a lot of great suggestions, and one of the best ones that we keep getting is for the back window, because we really don't know what we're going to be doing for back there. We didn't know if we were going to be using Lexan. We didn't know if we were going to be getting one off like a mini truck or something. And then somebody gave us the really great idea to use a window from an RV to stick back there, because they can actually slide up and down, and we wouldn't really have to make basically 100% bracket and completely make it full custom. It's kind of already there. So the person who gave us that idea, thank you very, very much. We're actually trying to find some measurements right now to see if we can find one that works. If not, then I guess we're going to have to try and make all the brackets, but that was a great idea, and we greatly appreciate it. So thank you very much.
We appreciate all your guys' comments and suggestions on everything, 'cause it's been helping us out a lot with this truck build. You know, we're learning as we're going too. So
yeah, we've definitely never done anything like this, that's for sure. It was kind of just thought up one day. I had a dream and I drew it on a piece of paper, and I told the owner, let's go ahead and do this, man. Let's cut your car up in half. And
he's crazy enough to
turn it
say,
into a truck.
what the hell, let's do it. So, but yeah, we appreciate you guys' comments and everything.
Most
It means a lot. You
It
guys are
does.
helping us out a lot. And we appreciate you guys just watching the channel, honestly. Just showing the support and everything that we're doing. I mean, yeah. I don't know, you have anything else you want to add?
Nah, man, that's about it.
Alright guys, we're just going to wrap this video up right here. We got some of the, what is that, the sidewalls are done, like we said. Answered some questions. If you have any other questions or comments, just let us know. Our Instagrams are all at the end of the video that'll be popping up. Or ask them on YouTube. I'll get to them as soon as I can. But yeah, appreciate it. Thanks for watching, guys.